This is video clip 4 of the course overview for advanced inquiry, and Dr. Vaughn will be talking a little about the qualitative activities. But before we do that, before we forget, for the quantitative activities, we strongly suggest that you get one of the graduate student packs of SPSS, and you can actually get a license without paying a lot of money for the graduate pack. So all of that is posted in the syllabus and in the Desire to Learn site. So I strongly encourage you to do that. Also, there is SPSS loaded in the College of Education computer laboratories on the second floor of Collings Hall. So you can also take advantage of SPSS in the laboratory. Anyway, I've talked enough, so I'd like to turn it over to Dr. Vaughn.
I have 3 qualitative assignments: theming and coding activity, an activity about case study, but also data analysis, and an activity dealing with phenomenology as a research methodology. There are probably 40 plus research methodologies in qualitative research. So I selected phenomenology and case study as 2 of the most popular ones. And then theming and coding, which is your first assignment, is a basic rudimentary way to analyze qualitative data, in this case words from an interview. Now I will tell you this, and when I gave the presentation on theming and coding, I mentioned what I'm about to say, but some people call the initial stage theming, others call it coding. So just know in the things that you read, creating themes, then codes, then working them together to answer the research question. Some people just name those steps differently, so don't let that confuse you. I tend to use coding first and then theming, but much of the literature calls the initial step coding, and you'll understand that better when you read that PowerPoint that is associated with that, and watch the video. Case study is, I selected case study for an activity because the coding and theming activity just involves one interview, one data set and source actually. But in case study, one often has 3 to triangulate whatever the data are saying. And so in studying case study, then you can also investigate how to analyze one set of data, like interviews, another set, documents, another set, observations, and see how they come together, possibly, or don't, to answer the research question. Then we have an assignment on phenomenology, and there are 2 major kinds, hermeneutic and transcendental, and you only have to select one of those methodologies, and then there's an analysis assignment for that. And those are the 3 qualitative exercises that I've required, and I think, let me know if things aren't clear and if the videos and accompanying PowerPoints aren't clear. I do want to suggest one thing. I would follow along with the video that introduces each one of these areas. I would follow along with my PowerPoint. Other people might just be very auditory and don't need to visually plug into something as they're listening, but it would help me. But that's just a suggestion. So that's all.
Very good. So that's the course overview this first week, as well as reviewing some of the Applied Quant course, and then the next topic will be finishing the review of the Applied Quant course, and then starting with the first qualitative topic, which is problem, research question, and methodology choice. And from there, just keep following the course outline, and call us or email us if you have any questions.
For sure.
Okay. Thank you.